Is there something that you want? Here's the number one sign that what you want is on the way, even if it looks like it's not coming. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and this will change your life and allow what you want to come into your life quicker and easier. Let's dive right into the video. So what happens is life starts to weigh on us. What we want isn't coming yet, and we forget. What do we forget? God has something amazing in store for you. God has big things in store for you. Feel the truth of that in your bones. Does that make you smile? Are you starting to smile right now? Does that make you feel good? Because it's true. God has something amazing, something big in store for you. And that's the number one sign that what you want is closer than you think it is. See, most people forget that. And so they keep blocking what they want. So comment down below, God has big things in store for me, or God has something amazing in store for me. If you don't like the word God, use the word universe. The universe has big things in store for me. The universe has something amazing in store for me. Comment that down below. It has big things in store for you. You have to remember that you're a child of God. You're a piece of the universe. You're a spiritual being in a physical body. You are so much greater than any limitations that you have. You're here to be rewarded, not to be punished. You're here in order to experience abundance and joy and love and the freedom of this physical plane. You came into this body to experience the ultimate joys of life. This is like a spiritual playground for you to experience whatever you want, to drive what cars you want, or live where you want to live, or have whatever career you want to have, and to do the things that you want, have the love that you want, or travel where you want to travel. You're here to experience this life fully and absolutely without a doubt. But first, you gotta know that the universe has big things in store for you. You have to know that the universe has your back. I'm telling you, it has your back. Believe that today. Go into the world today. Ask that person out. Go out there and ask for a raise. Share your big ideas. Go out there and start building your dream business. Write your book. Publish your first YouTube video. Go and start saving to travel. Whatever it is that you've been wanting to do, but maybe you've been talking yourself out of, remember that the universe has your back and God has your back, and you're actually a piece of God. You're a child of God. You're created in the image of the perfection of the universe. Comment down below, God has big things in store for me. Comment down below, God has amazing things in store for me. Comment down below, the universe has big things in store for me. Comment down below that the universe has amazing things in store for me. So if you got like this deep feeling that you're divinely guided, your life is divinely guided, guess what? It is. And something great is going to happen. But you've got to drill that belief system into you. You've got to say, I'm deciding right now, forgetting about my past, forgetting about what has happened up until this moment, forgetting about what has happened up until this day, until I started this video. I'm making the conscious choice to see this world as a friendly place, to see this world as a beautiful place, and to see that I'm divinely guided in all my ways, that I adapt myself to all new ideas, that infinite intelligence is constantly revealing to me better ways to live my life, to serve my world, that I'm constantly supported, directed, and guided for my ultimate joy. Make that decision, make that choice. And then ask the universe and God for a sign. Just right now, while you're sitting here right now, say, God, thank you for giving me a sign today. Thank you for giving me a sign this week. Universe, thank you for giving me a sign this week that I'm on the right track. Ask for it. Ask for a sign that you're on the right track. Ask for a sign that you're being supported, directed, and guided for your highest joy and for the ultimate good of your highest goals, destiny, and happiness. Comment down below, the universe has big things in store for me. Comment down below, the universe has amazing things in store for me. You're closer than you think. This video is just to remind you that God has your back and the universe has your back. You're here to be rewarded. You're here to experience the fullness of life. And guess what? The universe has your back. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you download my free success hypnosis down below. It's right there down below. JakesHypnosis.com. It's a free success hypnosis that's designed to rewire all of your limiting beliefs around success, abundance, happiness. So it's right there down below. JakesHypnosis.com. Plug that in and allow that to rewire your brain to make it easier to attract what you want into your life. Hit the subscribe button right over there and the bell notification. Even if you've already subscribed, make sure, just double check really quick that you've hit the bell notification. If you haven't yet, hit that. That's what notifies you for new videos. Hashtag down below, best day ever. Ask the universe or God or whatever for a sign today that you're on the right track and that you are being supported. And remember, you are being supported. You are worthy of all that you desire. Truly, you're worthy of everything that you desire, and any ideas other than that is literally just a program, a negative program in the mind. It's not who you are. It may run in the mind for a little while, but just remember that it's not who you are.